Is deleting my Instagram account reversible? Wondering if deleting your Instagram account is reversible? Here's what you need to know. Yes, deleting your Instagram account can be reversed, but only within the 30-day waiting period after you submit your deletion request. During this 30-day period, if you change your mind, simply log back into your account using your username and password. This will automatically cancel the deletion request, and your account will be fully restored. However, after 30 days, your account is permanently deleted. This means your data will no longer be recoverable. If you're not sure about permanently deleting your account, there's another option. Consider temporarily deactivating it instead. This way, your account stays intact, and you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. Now you know deletion is reversible within 30 days, but after that, it's permanent. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.